Protect your company's emails from being compromised. Attention, over 2.5 billion Gmail users are now at risk. A major breach exposed contact details, enabling scammers to impersonate Gmail support, and you could be next. 2.5 billion Gmail users exposed, and scam calls, phishing, and account takeovers surging. Scammers are exploiting leaked data to launch phishing calls, vishing attempts, and fake emails, tricking people into handing over passwords or security codes. Google itself confirms passwords weren't stolen, but that hasn't stopped the rise in attacks. To fight back, you can start by using secure private data. Secure email offers end-to-end encryption, unreadable to anyone but you. Secure Messenger protects your chats with zero-knowledge encryption. Secure VPN shields your traffic, masks your identity, and keeps corporate snoops and hackers out. Don't wait for the next breach to hit. Secure what matters now. Go secure, because your data deserves better protection than Google Gmail can offer. Visit secure.com or download Secure today.